everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make 5 minutes miso ramen. You can enjoy this recipe using miso on hand or use different miso to enjoy miso ramen in different flavors. This is the vegan recipe, but you can arrange this recipe to make non-vegan miso ramen as well. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Let's make miso ramen soup base first. Just like wasabi, these ginger and garlic condiments are really popular in Japan. You can buy them online. They have a stable flavor, so you can't go wrong. You can use any kind of miso without dashi, because miso with dashi is a little bit salty. Then you need soy sauce, sugar. You can buy the ground sesame seeds, but freshly ground is always better. It makes the soup really tasty. Then you need dashi powder. I'm using Kombu kelp dashi powder with no salt. One tablespoon of sesame oil. You can add layu chili oil if you like. I didn't add it because my daughter said she wants to eat the ramen. Now let's prepare the bean sprouts. Wash and place it in a microwavable dish. Then cover and microwave on medium for 2 minutes. When it's done, dab with paper towel to remove excess water. Then season with salt, pepper, and sesame oil. These are the toppings I have today, but you can use any toppings you like. When everything is ready, add fresh ramen noodles in boiling water. And at the same time, you wanted to make a pot of hot water for the soup. When the ramen noodles are ready, drain well and make the soup. Add hot water little by little and mix well. Put the ramen noodles in the soup, then place the toppings. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
피자. 소나는しないので食べてみて。どうですか？ラーメンどうこれ？噛んだよな。どう味噌ラーメン？美味しい。
これちょうどうまいから。 どう飲める？
うん、飲める。美味しい。
どうじゃ
うん。
ーじゃーくるくるあらシュワシュワになったよなんかシュワシュワになってる
召し上がれ。
する
美味しいです。